Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing soon, so please put away your carry-on items.
So normally when I go out and travel, I would get a bunch of clips so that I can make a cool little video later. But this time we were visiting Denver because we wanted to see how it would feel if we were to actually move there. So I was kind of balancing it out between shooting and just, experiencing the city itself. And honestly, I don't regret it. There's not as much clips, but I think we made up for it with the experience we had. So sorry to keep you waiting. We can get back to the pretty moving pictures later, but for now, I know you probably want to hear me talk. So, I really like Denver, but check out this fit though. Can we get a fit analysis, please? I can't show the whole body because I'm too lazy to put the shoes back on, but trust me, it's fire. Ghost and hat, by the way. Probably never coming out, but maybe if there's enough demand, who knows, maybe. So yeah, I mean, before I get started about what the hell I'm gonna say about Denver, I think we should hear from my partner, my GF. Honey, come on over here. You should be in the video. Say hi to the people at home.
Hello.
Talk into here, by the way. I mean, I'm pretty sure that picked you up, but I wanna know what you liked about Denver.
I like the views of the Rocky Mountains. The people, everyone we met was like really nice.
Oh, why are you twerking on camera?
I can't sit.
Oh, my bad. Here, I just added a chair for you in post. Feel good?
No.
Sorry, that's all we could afford. Hey, the chair broke.
Yeah.
Continue. You can look at me or the camera.
Food. Edit Lazzo's empanada logo right here, and then empanada right here. And I really like the vibes overall of the city. It felt very nice being there.
Why Denver specifically, though? Okay, let's keep this super short. Like 5 words described like your experience there.
Nice, inspiring.
Wait, talking.
I am talking, man. Basically, not looking.
Okay, again.
Why are you bending over like that?
I need audio. I need good audio.
Pretty, inspiring. I don't know, 5 words.
So that's all?
No,
You have anything else to say about Denver?
What's that word again?
Let me think out of the 8 billion words with no context.
Starts with an L.
Lazlo's.
Lazlo's.
It's Lazzo, isn't it?
Lazzo.
Thank you, honey. I will now clap my hands and she will disappear. Movie magic. Yeah, I mean, to sum it up, I just like the views, the vibes. Can we do 3 Vs? Views, vibes. Another V. Overall, I just really like the vibes. The city itself is pretty nice looking and it's surrounded by a lot of beautiful nature. I really like the people. They were all like really nice. It kind of felt like a little bit of Canada and the States, like, you know, the things people say about Canada. And the food, of course, was so good. He keeps mentioning Lazzo's. Fucking empanadas were so good. I just really like the way that the people in general, like, think. It's very progressive. Oh, of course, the ganja, the weed. There's gonna be footage of me, like, getting that shit, because, you know, like, it's not a hassle there. I just go to a store and it's there, you know? We've been thinking of places to move to because we really want to get out of here just for opportunity's sake, and, you know, we just want to be out on our own. We went there to just check it out to see how it would be if we did live there, and honestly, it's really good. Obviously, there's cons, like every other place would be, especially living in a city, and in, like, preferably we want to be downtown. But I really do think the pros outweigh the cons. I hear all about the memes and the car theft, and, you know, I feel like every city is gonna have its problems, so I think we're willing to deal with that for everything else that Denver offers. I'm really manifesting the move there because I just really feel like there's more opportunity. I really love how it's like small, or like local businesses and small business focused, because, you know, us being like small business owners of, well, more than one business, I just really think we do well there. And I don't know, man, this feels right. So sorry to add another transplant, Denver natives, but, you know, I promise we'll be cool. I'll get a Subi. I need to check what else they do over there, but, you know, yeah. Also, I forgot to make a little segue for this, but now here's a montage of the Van Gogh exhibit and Meow Wolf. Super trippy, super cool. Highly recommend to all my friends and anyone that likes cool stuff. thanks for watching. More to come. This was a late upload only because I've been kind of swamped with work. But yeah, you know, like, subscribe, and all that bullshit. Oh, yeah, by the way, look, Sean, this is for you. I listened to your advice, and I clipped it on this way. So much less noticeable.